If the aroma of freshly brewed coffee is what brings calm to your chaos and magic to your mornings, you're going to love finding out what this heavenly brew can really do. Hi, I'm Aisha, and I'm here to tell you about a few lesser-known uses of coffee, including how you can utilize coffee to fight your much-dreaded cellulite. So grab your cup of joe and let's get into it. As a self-confessed coffee addict, I know firsthand that coffee can get a bad rep. But this tropical bean is perfectly safe in moderation. So what is the right amount? A good rule of thumb is a maximum of 4 cups per day. Drinking more than 4 cups a day will do more harm than good. Coffee can improve alertness, memory, and make you look presentable on Monday mornings. It contains antioxidants, which slow down aging and are good for health. So if coffee is your hug in a mug, your survival juice, your love at first whiff, rest assured that it's looking out for you too. Beyond just perking up your mood, coffee can be used to perk up your skin too. It's an excellent natural exfoliant. I've been using this new M-Caffeine coffee body scrub made with pure Arabica coffee and organic coconut oil, which makes my skin glow and keeps it super soft. The scrub comes in a powder form, so you'd think you have to mix it with something, but you simply apply it onto your wet skin where it emulsifies instantly, and then start scrubbing. It's gentle and smells amazing. This scrub isn't just humbly clearing dead skin, it also helps fight cellulite as caffeine breaks down fat deposits and increases blood circulation. It's also perfect for lightening those pesky pigmented knees and elbows. It does wonders even for ingrown hair, and with regular use will banish tan like it was yesterday's coffee stain. The coconut oil in it really helps moisturize the skin, giving it a healthy glow. Altogether, highly recommended, especially if you've been skipping the all-important body scrub till now. While drinking coffee can make you feel more alert, it's also amazing for your eyes when applied topically. For a quick DIY at home, you can mix 2 tablespoons of coffee, either instant or regular will do, with a tablespoon of potato juice and enough honey to make a paste. Apply this for 15 to 30 minutes and wash off. The antioxidants in caffeine increase blood circulation around the eyes, reducing dark circles and puffiness over time. The potato juice reduces the pigmentation, and honey makes your skin soft and springy. It's such a simple and easy way to give your eyes a much-needed coffee break and keep them looking bright and fresh. The invigorating scent of coffee can give you wings. A great way to infuse your space with this delicious smell is to get some coffee beans and some sturdy stockings. Now, fill the beans into the stocking, pushing them down to create a ball. Then, tie off the top, cut off the excess, and toss these in bowls around your room or tuck them into closets to feel like you're in a Parisian cafe any time of day. Hope you guys will give these creative coffee concoctions a try. And remember, life happens, coffee helps. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.